Hello everyone, this is Uday Kumar studying third year B.Pharmacy in Maharajah College of Pharmacy. I am going to discuss about cancer treatment using nanotechnology. We all know that cancer is a disease in which abnormal cells divide uncontrollably and leads to destruction of body tissue. Generally, cancer is of several types such as brain cancer, lung cancer, stomach cancer, and many more, etc. Cancer can be treated by using therapies, that is, cancer therapies, which are very limited, like surgery, radiation, and chemotherapy. All these three methods cause the damage to normal tissue or cause incomplete eradication of the cancer. So, the novel methods in nanotechnology is helpful in treatment of cancer. What is nanotechnology? Nanotechnology is a science, engineering, and technology conducted at nanoscale, that is about from 1 nanometers to 100 nanometers. Nanotechnology involves nanoparticles in treatment of cancer. The nanoparticles are organic nanoparticles, which includes gold nanocells, dendrimers, polymers, and etc. Nanotechnology offers the chance to target chemotherapies effectively and selectively to cancerous cells and neoplasms, and enhance the therapeutic efficacy of radiation based and other current treatment modalities. All of this can lead to decreased risk to the patient and increase the probability of survival of the patient and treatment of the cancer. There are several nanoparticles which can be used for the treatment of cancer. One of them is nanoshells. Nanoshells are minuscule beads coated with gold. By manipulating the thickness of layers, making nanoshells, scientists can design these beads to absorb specific wavelength of light. The most useful nanocells are those that absorb near infrared light, which can easily penetrate several centimeters of human tissue. The absorption of light by nanocells creates an intense heat that is lethal to cells. Gold nanoshells are spherical nanoparticles composed of dielectric core, which is covered by a thin gold shell with tunable optical resonance. These nanoshells consist of quasi-particle known as plasmon, which is a collective excitation or quantum plasma oscillation in which the electrons simultaneously oscillate with respect to all the ions. Gold nanocells possess an attractive set of optical, chemical, and physical properties which help in cancer detection, treatment, and medical biosensing. Nanocells can be varied across a broad range of light spectrum that spans the visible and near infrared regions. Gold nanocells are designed to absorb radiation at various frequencies, absorb certain types of radiation. Once the nanocells are attached to cancerous cells, only laser light is needed to treat the cancer. Near infrared, that is NIR light, passes through the body and reaches the gold nanoshell. The tuned gold nanoshell receives the NIR light and converts the light energy into heat, which leads to killing of the cancer cells. Here we discuss about the mechanism of nanocells or working of nanocells in treatment of cancer. Researchers can already link the nanocells to antibodies that can recognize cancer cells. Scientists envision letting these nanocells seek out their cancerous targets, then applying near infrared light. In the laboratory cultures, the heat generated by the light absorbing nanocells has successfully killed tumor cells while leaving neighbor cells intact. Near infrared is a type of low energy radiation not absorbed by living tissue. However, the nanocells can be designed to absorb this light which heats them up. A nanocell uses surface plasma resonance, a wave-like excitation of electrons along the surface. These convert laser light into heat. Because nanocells are metallic on the outside and small in size, the laser light interacts with the shell, causing the surface plasma resonance. Electrons in the goal prefer to have low energy, so they give off any extra energy as heat to the surrounding environment, including the attached cancer cell. This process causes the temperature of the cancer cell to increase after 4 to 6 minutes. Electrons in the goal prefer to have low energy, so they give off any extra energy as heated to the surrounding environment, including the attached cancer cell. This process causes the temperature of the cancer cell to increase after 4 to 6 minutes of laser light exposure. Nanocells converts the light energy to heat energy. The transferred heat is enough to destroy the cancer cells. Healthy cells then consume the dead cancer cells through the process phagocytosis. When the process is done, only healthy cells remain and there are no traces of cancer cells. In traditional method of cancer treatment, along with the cancer cells, some normal cells can also be dead. Nanotechnology using nanocells is helpful in eradication of death of normal cells during cancer treatment. Applications. Nanoparticles have been used for biomedical imaging and cancer treatment. They are used in gene delivery system and drug delivery system. They are also used in photothermal therapy and targeting. They are used in vitro and in vivo cancer detection and imaging. They are used in cancer diagnosis also. We can conclude nanocells are used to image cancer and also can be used to treat cancer. However, one of the major faults is that nanomaterials, all kinds, are extremely hard to make cheaply and accurately. Thank you.